I took an ugly piece, guys.
What's your problem, Kuwabara? You don't like croissants? Stupid name, but they taste good.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this week's episode, we will be making fried shrimp rolls. It is probably my favorite thing that my mom's made for years over years, and you know, basically she's perfected it. So let's show you how to make it. Let's begin. Alright guys, so these are all of our ingredients for our fried shrimp rolls. We have some pork fat here, egg white, salt, ginger, shrimp, obviously, cornstarch, white pepper, and some spring rolls. So this is the brand that we use for the fried shrimp rolls. They come in two different sizes. This is the smaller size. We prefer the smaller size. Since we're using frozen shrimp in our recipe, go ahead and defrost your shrimp. First, we're gonna de-shelve and clean our shrimp. So what you can do is, again, take that off here. And it looks like there's a little bit of the intestine here. We're just gonna take that off and clean it. Alright, that's a clean one.
What's your problem, Kuwabara? You don't like croissants? Stupid name, but they taste good.
Let's go ahead and pat dry our shrimp. Make sure there's no moisture in it. Again, we just want to pat dry our shrimp so there's no moisture. And let's go ahead and place it in. So let me go ahead and smash the shrimp. Like that. Mash the shrimp, guys. Okay. So now we can use the back end of the knife right here to smash the shrimp. Let's do that again, guys. Smash your shrimp. Smash shrimp. Smash shrimp. Smash shrimp. Smash shrimp. Now you have all of that. Use the back of the knife again to gently chop.
Make sure to take out the pork fat and start chopping it up into smaller pieces. Once you've cut them into larger chunks, go ahead and chop it up so it is even finer. Once it's fine enough, you can go ahead and mix the shrimp and the pork fat all together, like so. Once it's been thoroughly mixed, go ahead and add 1 egg white,
some white pepper, about 1 teaspoon.
Go ahead and add the cornstarch to the mixture. And afterwards, add 1/4 teaspoon of sugar.
Now we're going to mix. Let's go ahead and mix this all up. Okay, so we're gonna grate some ginger here. Or maybe a little bit, 1.5 tablespoons of ginger. And we're gonna squeeze that juice into here. And let's mix it up. 1.5 minutes. Okay, so after you've mixed it up, you can see that the texture of the shrimp is a lot thicker and the consistency is a little bit more sticky. See that? Now it's a thick consistency.
After it's done mixing, go ahead and place the mixture in the refrigerator for at least half an hour. And you can go ahead and get your skin ready.
So we're gonna make the shrimp rolls now. First we can make our sticky adhesive by adding cornstarch and water together. You can do equal parts, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. All right, really quick, because it's dying, take and fold over, bring all of the meat so it's nice and taped here, and roll that up.
Be sure to tightly roll and dab your finger into the cornstarch and water to seal the roll.
Okay, now it's rolled. They're all ready to fry. The last one.
Go ahead and start frying the shrimp rolls once the oil is hot enough. You'll be frying the egg rolls for about 2 to 3 minutes once they're golden brown. Look at these little cute fried shrimp rolls, ready to be bathed in hot oil and to be eaten by me. Let's just take a moment and appreciate the fried shrimp rolls. Here's our final product.
If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe so that you can see another video. Another one, and another one with me. Also, comment below, what is your favorite fried food? Because mine are these, the fried shrimp rolls. So good. Bye.